Do you beat yourself up whenever you feel the need to take a break or rest? Do you have this belief which says you have to be productive at all times? One of the most used gadgets is the smartphone. Does the smartphone ever have a downtime? Of course, the time when we plug it into the charger, that there will be some time in the day where it is only charging. That's when the phone gets recharged. Think of us as gadgets that require a downtime and a recharge time so that the battery is charged so that one can perform to the optimum level. Each gadget's downtime and recharge time can be different. And if there is a necessary time for you to recharge and rejuvenate, if you don't give yourself that time, you are not going to be able to be as productive as you'd like to be. What do you think about this?